The 77-cent support level for Nexo United States dollar basically especially is serious areas of strength for truly, basically generally is genuinely critical. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 74 cents, or so they explicitly thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo generally is floating at $5,281,413 in a fundamentally genuinely large manner. Nexo really acquired roughly 3.22% inside the especially fundamentally most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. 13 November 2023, in this video we will sort of essentially walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually certainly clarified some things, facts. What generally fundamentally is truly momentary cost expectation for Nexo, explicitly is Nexo a for the most part especially wise interest in an essentially significant manner and a kind of huge manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so on in a for the most part in every practical sense, significant way. Be that as it may, prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, truly let us essentially fundamentally discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they explicitly generally thought. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the kind of certainly whole digital currency market to $1,414,664,667,125 in a by and large extremely enormous manner, which truly is genuinely huge. The genuinely complete exchanging volume certainly fundamentally remains at $48,913,730,687, which essentially is very critical in a significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense truly has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of for the most part significant way, or so they thought. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo is floating at $5,281,413. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly generally, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time period, in a sort of kind of enormous manner. XRP, the entirely local coin of XRP in a real sense, is somewhere near 2.19, and at present exchanging at 65 cents, which truly sort of is genuinely critical. Furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 3.02% in esteem, which for the most part sort of is very huge. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market basically truly is going in an extremely descending course, for in every practical sense, beautiful present moment, which generally in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. Right now, an especially really broad kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a genuinely enormous manner. Nexo backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part, especially distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, which for the most part shows that various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum quite has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in an essentially significant manner, which truly is genuinely critical. Support sort of is a level at which purchasers especially explicitly become kind of more entirely dynamic and fundamentally truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting that Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 74 cents, by and large especially as opposed to prevalent thinking, which basically is very huge. Similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants explicitly become move commonly beautiful dynamic and sort of really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which by and large is very huge in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Nexo execution. The by and large current Nexo cost in a real sense is 74 cents, with an exchanging volume of $5,281,413 in the beyond 24 hours, or so they by and large thought, which basically is very critical. Right now, Nexo in every practical sense, for the most part is up by 3.22% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $416,800,292 United States dollars, so which basically sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%. Showing that 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo by and large for the most part is drifting at $5,281,413 in an especially extremely enormous manner. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 13 November 2023, inside an exceptionally lovely day-to-day time span, generally made sense of underneath, which sort of in every practical sense shows that the kind of truly all-out exchanging volume actually explicitly remains at $48,913,730,687 in an unpretentious manner. We utilize pretty relative strength index RSI, moving in every way that really matters, normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including reasonably truly basic moving kind of genuinely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving pretty normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the Nexo in an unobtrusive manner in fact. The coin fundamentally is going down as it in a real sense break under two vital help levels of 82 cents and 77 cents, essentially kind of additional appearance how furthermore, Solana came to $57.83 in the wake of seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. The market in a real sense generally isn't reasonable for bulls, and especially bears could for the most part take Nexo towards the genuinely next help at 73 cents, which fundamentally certainly shows that yet prior to plunging genuinely profound into the Nexo specialized examination. Basically let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an actually especially huge manner, which is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 44 and in a real sense is attempting to explicitly break out of the nonpartisanship zone, so the exceptionally lovely all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $48,913,730,687, which sort of most certainly is genuinely huge. While Nexo's Williams %R pointer quite is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange really signal explicitly truly is for the most part certainly conceivable at this reach, certainly genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking in an unpretentious way. The MACD line generally is remaining above of the sort of especially signal line after an especially certain hybrid, which fundamentally is very critical. Nexo financial backers need to fundamentally sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely everyday outline, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking amazingly for the most part. The Nexo market quite is given indications of being hopeful, and purchasers truly have the genuinely potential to drive costs of the cryptographic money, much in every practical sense, higher in the entirely all expectations and purposes next entirely couple of days. Exhibiting that the coin